Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a drawing and how to edit your projects by adding drawings to your FlipaClip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Click on projects, which is the first section at the top, and select one of your projects that you want to edit. At the top of the screen you can select from a bunch of tools. The first one is a pencil or brush or highlighter that you can use. You can also select its color by tapping on this yellow icon, and here you can use this section to choose the best color, and then you are ready to create your drawing. You can use the eraser and these other options, such as the background filler and the text box option as well. So that's how you can create your drawing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.